Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. In this video, I'm going to call Color Eyedropper Tool with the space bar. Yesterday, I made a video where I was having to go and get the eyedropper tool and then take a sample and then drop it in that spot. Then I'd have to go back to the eyedropper tool and pick that color and do that. Well, if you use the eyedropper tool itself, which is right here, and you take a sample and then drop it in there and then hit your space bar, you get the pick tool back. Hit your space bar again, you get the color eyedropper back. That quick. I need to actually touch the space bar before I move it down there. You know, you're doing different shades, and if you'll watch, right there, it tells you a fill, and then it tells you an outline. You're going to change the outline until you get into more of the center to change the fill. I hope you can see that on your screen. But just hit the space bar, and then hit the space bar again, and you get the color eyedropper tool. Space bar again, you get the color eyedropper tool. Now, a lot of you are going to say, and this is, I just made perfect rectangles. If you're filling in something this perfect, then you would just take the Smart Fill tool and fill the first one in with yellow and fill the second one in with red, or the last one in with red, and select that, hold down the shift key, select that, go to effects, blend, and blend them 8 times or however how many you want, and you're going to get that color. You actually, I think there's 10 of those, so we need, maybe we'll just blend 6 times and see what happens. And that way you get some separation, you can see. But that wasn't what I was doing yesterday. I was filling in different parts that you could not blend. I wish I still had that file. But anyway, the eyedropper tool can be a lot faster. Let's just draw a couple of shapes. And just grab the eyedropper tool, get that yellow, drop it in there, hit the space bar, hit again, get that color, drop it in there, hit the space bar, hit it again, and you've got those colors. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit, and thank you for watching.